Texas is one of the states that has so-called trigger laws. This automatically banning most abortions in the event of Roe overturning. KXAN's Daniel Marin has a look at why the law won't take effect immediately.
With the overturning of Roe v. Wade, many expect the so-called Texas trigger law to take effect in 30 days. But that's not exactly how it works. The law automatically bans most abortions in the state. According to Attorney General Ken Paxton, it becomes active 30 days after the Supreme Court issues an official judgment, not an opinion. And he says a judgment could take about a month.
To me, as a fundamental respect for human life, that's why I signed on to the trigger law.
Republican State Senator Paul Bettencourt of Houston was one of dozens of co-authors of the bill. He says there could be another holdup before it goes into effect.
There will be a tremendous amount of litigation from here out about the framework of this new decision. And I expect that we'll be right back waiting for more Supreme Court rulings next year at this time.
State Democrats say you can bet on legal challenges and voter mobilization.
In Texas in particular, we are working to make sure that we elect Beto O'Rourke, that we flip seats in the Texas legislature.
In the meantime, state leaders have pumped major money into the state's Alternatives to Abortion program. It offers counseling for mothers, parenting classes, job training, and clothing and formula. The state legislature approved $100 million for the program over the next 2 years, and you can see on this chart, funding has shot way up since 2006. These are the providers the state works with for that program. Last year, most of the money went to the Texas Pregnancy Care Network. And coming back to the trigger law, when it takes effect, a violation could result in a civil penalty of at least $100,000 and possible criminal charges for the provider, not the person undergoing the procedure. Now, the law does make an exception for pregnancies that could put the mother's life at risk. At the Capitol, Daniel Marin, KXAN News.